Hello students. Today in discuss operating systems. Operating systems. What is the process and explain process state with diagram. So the process from its creation to completion pass passes through various states. The minimum numbers of state is 5. Either then the number of the states are not standardized all throughout the process may be in one of the following states during executions. Now, now, now explain process states with diagram. Diagram show show new from ready ready from schedule or dispatch in run and run from completion and termination again new ready schedule dispatch run from input output request or either block wait either block and from ready from run from termination again program process new run से please wait block from suspend फिर suspend wait program in suspend wait फिर resume place wait either block from suspend wait from process completed and suspend ready or suspend ready show ready फिर again schedule या dispatch होके फिर run from completion termination again program input output request to wait block from input output completion from ready from run to termination again students will be discuss new process of program a new process of program which is going to be picked up by the operating systems into the main memory is called a new process again students ready so whenever a program process is created it directly enters in the ready state in which it wait for the CPU to be assigning the operating system's fixes the new process from the secondary memory and put all of them in the main memory again either so the process which are ready for the execution and reside in the main memory are called ready state process the can be main process present in the ready state instance in discuss running so running on of the process from the ready state will be chosen by the operating system depending upon the scheduling algorithm hence if we have only one CPU in our systems the number of running process for a particular time will always be one if we have an process in the systems then we can have an process running situationally हाँ हेलो स्टूडेंट्स डिस्कस इन ब्लॉक डायग्राम जैसे ब्लॉक और वेट फ्रॉम द रनिंग state. A process can make the transitions to the block or wait state depending upon the scheduling algorithm or the intrinsic behavior of a process. Either when a process waits for a certain resource, so so wait state and assigning the CPU the either process. And students will discuss completion or termination. When a process finished its execution, it comes in the termination state. All the context of the process control block PCB control process control block will also be deleted in the process will be terminated by the operating systems. Suspend students discuss in suspend ready is a process in the ready state which is moves the secondary memory from the main memory or due to lack of the resource is called in the suspend ready states. हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट स्टेप्स लास्ट का सेकंड स्टेप है जो है सस्पेंड वेट इन इंस्टेंट ऑफ रिमूविंग द प्रोसेस फ्रॉम द रेडी क्यू. It's better to remove the blockade process which is waiting for some resource in the main memory, since it is already waiting for same resource to get available. Hence, it is better if it waits in the secondary memory and make room for the higher priority process. Those process complete their execution once the main memory gets available and their wait is finished. So students will discuss last steps terminated or completed. Process is killed as well as PCB control process control block is deleted. PCB क्या था? Process control block.